Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will be showing you the social media that can create a calls or create voice calls on the application itself. So here the first is it could be the WhatsApp. We all know that WhatsApp is the social media that mostly we use communications with our friends through the chat or even with the phone. You can see that on the bottom feature that could be a call section, so you just need to tap into this and find the contact to call, and then you can just create the voice call for it. So the second application will be the Instagram. So if you are wondering how the way you can call on Instagram, it's quite simple and easy. So you just need to open the inbox or the DM features, and then you just need to open someone that you want to call, and there could be a call button on the top side here, so you just need to tap it to create a call with your friends. And then for the next is the Google Chat. So you just need to open the Google Chat application. Creating a call in the Google Chat also is simple. You just need to log in with your account, and the next you just need to open the chat. Tap into this icon, and there could be the option about the chat audio and chat video. So if you want to create a call, just tap in this chat audio and you can make a call. And then the last application that you can use to call is the Telegram application. So it's also the same. If you want to call someone, you just need to visit the contact and then you just need to call them, or you can also open the chat and then tap into chat, and then you can just get an access to call someone with this Telegram. So that's for today's explanation. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again in the other tutorial.